How to mention everyone in a Telegram group. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Telegram. Log into your account, then go to the group chat you want to mention everyone. In message box of this group, type add and then type everyone. After you type everyone, click on send button, which is blue arrow. After that, everyone in the group chat will be mentioned easily. And this is how to mention everyone in a Telegram group. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off until next time.